I'm at the sixth floor, wherein the maximum damage to the rooms as well the common passage corridor with an wooden balustrades, which all the entire area, which is almost 50 to 60 feet, total the barricade which are the balustrade which are generally used as an obstruction are totally burned. They were all of wood, and because of this the fire was raging for a long time. But the FRDs which were provided to this particular entire area, they saved most of the rooms, except those rooms specifically opened up and subsequently destroyed. I'm inside a room which the entire room has been destroyed by the fire. The all contention which appears to be that this was typically set on fire. That's why the damage is very high. It appears to be there was a blast also. All the mattresses, the beds are totally charred. The suspenders are already come down. But the important factor in this case is that the iron stanchions which were provided much very earlier, which on a high grade, they did not bulk due to heat. The bulking did not take place. That's why they were intact. That's why the roof has been kept intact and there was no collapse in spite of tremendous heat. The another factor of reduction heat was the windows.